Good morning guys, today we will be replacing the brake booster on this Nissan Pathfinder. It's a 2006 Nissan Pathfinder SE. First we're going to do is to remove the vacuum, then we're going to remove the master cylinder. I believe these nuts are like number 12. This is number 12. The one on the back are number 13. Once we remove that, then we're going to go into the inside of the car and let me show you what we're going to do. Once we're inside the car, from the pedal we will be removing this pin right there, if you see, and that stud that's holding it, and then we're going to remove these nuts, if you see, those four, and then the booster comes out and we'll replace it. We will reverse the process. After we install the booster, we will bleed the brakes and make sure there's no air in the system. First, let's remove this vacuum hose. And now we can open up these nuts. They might be number 12, I believe. Now we're going to remove number 13 using a socket. We're going to remove these connectors out of the way by pressing on this. And this one, you get a pressure from the bottom and it comes out. Too. We're going to keep on with our removal process. We will gently remove our brake cylinder. And now we can move to the interior part. Alright, now to the part where we're going to remove this pin right there. What we can do, we can spin that one pin towards us, right, like this. I'm going to use a screwdriver to pull it down. And I have the pin, and then we're going to remove this plastic cap that's there. Once we remove that, the screw comes out, so we're going to remove that screw. If you see now that pin is out of the way, we're going to open up those, I believe those are number 12 nuts. We're going to open, and then the booster should be out. So I'm going to go ahead and open that and connect with you guys afterwards. Okay, now if you see, all screws are out, and it's just a matter of, the pedal is loose too, so it's just a matter of pulling it from the other side, and this thing should come out. All we gotta do now is to pull this thing out. That's it. make this thing loose a little bit. So it's out now, as you can see. Hustle here should be up. Now we are reversing the process like what we did. Now I'm gonna go inside and put those nuts back. This is a little bit smaller, but the part is the same, so it's good. It's squeezing really good. Alright fellas, if you see the brake booster is in, inside bolts, the nuts are number 12 like it said. All you got to do is line the pedal with the stud, put your lock, put the stud through it, put the lock, and that's good. And now we're gonna connect our vacuum hose. That's good. Now we're gonna install our master cylinder right there. Let's go ahead and do that. All right. Now we're gonna put this side in. Slowly but gently. There we go. Now we're gonna put our nuts back. So I'm using my swivel socket thing here, right here, and that works perfectly for tight spaces like this. That's good, and the other one we can tie up with a wrench. This is almost tight. Getting tight, and once they're tight, we're going to bleed the brakes. So putting all the screws back. So that's how you install the brake booster on a Nissan. We're going to put our connection back. And folks, that's how you do the brake booster on a Nissan Pathfinder. The next step is bleeding the system. Once you bleed the system, everything should be good to go. With this being said, I'm going to end this video. Thank you so much for watching with this video. Take care and bye-bye.